Hi, my name is Patrick Corder, and today you are in the beautiful showroom of MarineMax Stuart, and we're going to be going over a quick walkthrough video of one of my personal favorites, the Sea Ray 25 SDOB. It's a 2024, and we're going to start off here on the transom. Huge transom area from side to side, plenty of space to walk through. This boat's equipped with a nice, beautiful white Mercury 300. We have aft-facing speakers, cup holders, phone chargers, all off the back of the boat. So if you are at the sandbar, you can leave your drink on the back. You can change the music from back here. You do have a walk-through freshwater transom sprayer. And then to open this up some more, to make this area even bigger, you have this movable transom seat. And then when you move that forward, you'll open up some storage space, insulated cooler, so if you want to, again, put all your stuff on the back of the boat. Tons of entertainment on the transom area. Now if you are going underway, you're transporting a bunch of people, you want to create more space inside the boat, open up that seating in the space area. Again, you'll open up some more storage. The big theme of this boat is the storage capacity. It's just about everywhere you look, under every cushion. Underneath this seat you have a designated cooler. Storage here, as you see this beautiful stainless steel panel, this will be the mount for the table. You have a table here as well as the bow area. Again, some more storage, ski locker, put all your underwater toys and stuff under here too. You do have movable backrest, so if you are again at the sandbar, the seat's not just for the helm seat, you can use it as a lounging area as well. Same thing on the other side. Here at the helm we have a big nice 12-inch Simrad MFD multifunction display. You're going to have here your engine data, your GPS. You can control just about everything from right here. Nice gorgeous Mercury digital throttle, toggle switches, and then the upgraded Fusion stereo unit. Again, beautiful setup here. One of the nicest things about this boat is this gorgeous head compartment. You do have a drop down cushion, so you can turn this whole area into a bed. You have a porthole up underneath the helm area, so if you want to put a little fan in there, you have a nice little cross breeze. Want to lay the kids down, get out of the sun, get out of the weather, you have that area on a 25-foot boat, which is huge. Then here on the bow, you're going to notice a port walk-through instead of the center. That's why they make that head area so nice and big. Instead of walking through the center, they move it to the side. And then here you'll have seating for about 4 to 5 people. You can do a nice filler cushion right here. So this whole area will be a big giant sun pad, nice and easy to get to. And then the bow anchor locker, you're going to have the ability to board and offboard on the bow area, and then the anchor is going to go right underneath there, which is awesome, easy access. Great boat for the sandbar. If you'd like to see it in person, you can give us a call at 772-287-1598. Again, my name is Patrick Corder with MarineMax Stuart. Thank you.